adjuster with the latest tip. What role does a mitigation company, those restoration firms that come out and dry up your property after a loss, what role do they play in your insurance claim? So number one, you have a duty under the contract to protect the property from further damage. This duty is a shall or a must. You need to protect the property from further damage, or coverage could be considered void, meaning you've breached the contract. So that's the first part. So there is a role, and you need to be aware of it because that is your responsibility as the homeowner. So as the homeowner, breaking it down into some basic words, you need to protect the property from getting worse. And that involves drying up the water that's in the property, removing wet building materials, certainly saving undamaged items. The policy specific to this kind of separate them so they don't get any worse. And most of this stuff requires a professional. To dry a building, it actually requires a mathematical calculation of the humidity and the moisture content of the air and the building materials. And again, it usually does require a professional. So they do have this specific role that you should be aware of, and you will normally need a mitigation contractor in the event of a water or even a smoke loss, smoke exposure, or fire to actually be in compliance with that duty under the policy.